How to add debit card to Oculus Quest app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add debit card to your Oculus Quest app. So for that, just open your Oculus Quest application in your smartphone, and after that on the bottom section you will see this menu icon in the bottom right corner. So just click on it, and after that you just have to go to the settings. So just tap on the settings from the menu bar. And here in the settings section you will have the long list where you have different options. So you just have to click on the payment method from the settings list. So just click on payment methods, and here in order to add your debit card you just have to click on add credit or debit card. So just tap on it, and after that just go ahead and enter your debit card detail like your card number, your CVC number, the expiry or the validity date, and after that just select your country over here. You can select the country and the region where you are currently living in, and after that just click on add, and this way you will be able to add your debit card into your Oculus Quest app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.